Hello everyone. Hope all of you are safe at home. In the last class we have discussed about Babar Ali. So that is we have seen the introduction about Babar Ali. So where he is studying, that is in Qasim Bazaar Raj Govind Sundari Vidyapeeth at class 12th. So okay. So you can see the picture, you can see the textbook over here. Otherwise you can, if you are having the copy of the textbook, then you can go through it. Okay. In the last class we have discussed all that things. So now we are going to discuss about Babar Ali's school. So you can go through the textbook. So welcome to Babar Ali's school. So how his school is. So that is where he is the youngest headmaster at the age of 16. Yes. So ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅವನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ನಾವ್. So it is a dilapidated concrete structure covered in half-tone posters. So that is dilapidated means broken down. That is concrete structure covered in half-tone posters. That is without having a roof. Inside a teeny dank room behind a desk sits someone even the Queen of England knows by name, and you should too. So that is inside that tone postered place. So inside that building, a teeny means small. So dank room, dank means dark room behind a desk. So behind a desk someone is sitting. So that is even the Queen of the England. So that is he is a well-known person. That is you should also know about him. So that is the person called Babar Ali. So I think in the last class I have told the Babar Ali. So the sorry for the mistake. So the is not used before the noun. So just change it. Okay. So after that what he is saying. So behind the office is a gate. So on an office ಏನಿದೆ, so behind that office there is a gate that opens to Babar Ali's home. So ಆ gate open ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, directly to Babar Ali's home. So that is he already said in the last class I have told. So that is where he is doing the classes, that is behind in his backyard, right? So it is directly open to the Babar Ali's home. So there is where rows of poor underprivileged kids sit under the open blue sky and learn what most children in the modern world pay hundreds of dollars for free. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಥ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪುವರ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪುವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಪುವರ್, ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್? ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೈವ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ kind of kids are going to study in his school, that kind of children, that is in the open sky. So earlier we can see that is in Gurukulas, that is under the tree they were teaching all those things. But here, so it was too poor that they not even have the building, that is as a school. So we can see in the modern time we can see that a lot of opportunities, modern technologies is used for a school. So but here it was nothing else. So they did not had anything, even the proper building. So they are teaching in an open sky, that is blue sky, and learn what they were learning, that is most of the students from the modern schools they were studying. So that is by paying hundreds of dollars. ಸೊ ಆ ಸಾವಿರಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ದೇ were giving the free of education for the poor students. That is already we have discussed for 800 students, remember that. Okay, so there this is where 800 kids who are deprived from their basic rights for education. So fundamental rights, which you have already known because you have studied in 10th. So our fundamental right for education is also one of it, right? So our fundamental right ಏನಿದೆ, so ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ is giving this. So right for education. So walk miles to learn ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಬೇಸಿಕನ್ನು ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಪಡೀಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. So now we are having all the facilities. So even we have our own vehicles, even we can go through bus, all those things. But earlier it was not, right? So illi kuda hage, but they had the interest. So that kids have the interest, that is to learn or that is to study. So ada karana, so miles together they were walking, that is to get education, that is a fundamental right for the life. Okay, so let's take a minute over here and think. So just think of it. So they were, even though they are not having that much money, even though they are not having the opportunity, but still they are trying to study. They were having the interest. So even though the opportunity is less, but that we have to think. So give a fraction of a second for thinking. So while we whine about, so that is while we were thinking about our allowances. So when we whine means we can say that complain. So when we were complaining all the maybe allowances, ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ ಸರಿ, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವೈಲ್ ವಿ ವರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ವೈಲ್ ವಿ ವರ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಲೋವೆನ್ಸಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್? ಬಾದರ್. So first means bother about staying hour late. So this average boy from a small village is actually helping to make this world a better place. So while we were busy in complaining about the education system, about a particular things, so but this average boy is very busy in giving education to the whole world. So he is busy to give education for each and everyone. Even the poor, in his point, a poor should get the fundamental right. So that is education, that is for their life. So today, all around the world, where millions of children are being deprived from literacy because their families cannot bear the expenses. So many people are deprived or unfortunate because they were not getting the opportunity, because the reason is they are from poor family background, right? So they belongs to the poor family, so that's why they can't even bear to give education. So because the things are expensive, it is that only the education matters? No, for education all the other things also matters, right? What are the other things? So maybe going is expensive, going to the school, yes, maybe going by bus, going by vehicles, or all those things. Okay, then the books, pen, all those things, right? Not only about that, so uniform. So most of the schools are having uniform as compulsory, right? So ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು, so all these things are expensive for a poor family. So not for the rich, but for the poor family. So but ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ, so a family cannot bear, so that's why he gives a free of education. So this one school boy from India is trying to change that. So that is ಲಿಟ್ರಸಿ ರೇಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೈ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, by getting a school to India. And so at the age of 16, Babar Ali is the world's youngest headmaster. So adrinda at the age of 16, so only, so just think of it, nimma age alli, so avanu ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ the world's youngest headmaster, not only in India, remember, world's youngest headmaster. So you can achieve anything in your life if you are having a perfect goal. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಗೋಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಏನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಹಿ ಸೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್. ಹೌ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 4 or 6 marks, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅ dilapidated structure, so without having roof, he is having a school, so that is in a blue open sky. Okay, so he is the youngest headmaster to the world, so at the age of 16. Okay, so what next, what he is talking about next, about his family, all those things matters ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು ಅಥವಾ ಅವನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದ, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಾಬರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ one of the fortunate. So because earlier education, for earlier the school students, so family members ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ, so there were more than 2 to 3 children, right? So earlier, so ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಬಾಬರ್ happens to be one of the fortunate soul. So that is a fortunate. What do you mean by fortunate? So ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತ ಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅವನು ತುಂಬ ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so in his village, because in the Bapta neighborhood of Gangapur village in West Bengal's Murshidabad, so on a place anna ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, so where he belongs to, that is Bapta neighborhood of ಗಂಗಾಪುರ ವಿಲೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಗಂಗಾಪುರ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಬಾಪ್ತಾ ನೇಬರ್ಹುಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ಸೊ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ನ ಮುರ್ಷಿದಾಬಾದ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ he is the one good fortune, or he is having education. So Babar Ali lives with his 3 siblings. ಸೊ 3 ಜನ ಸಿಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಥ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಥ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್? ಸೊ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಗ್ರಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಮುಳಿ ಮನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಕಿಚನ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಮನೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಕಿಚನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಮನೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರ ಕಿಚನ್ನಷ್ಟು, ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಕಿಚನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಾಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್. So but at that time a small average family kitchen ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಮಾನು ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 3ರಿಂದ 4 ಜನ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವಷ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜಾಗ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಸೈಜಿನ ಕಿಚನ್ನಷ್ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಪುವರ್ ದೇ ವೇರ್. Okay, so yet ironically he is still among the privileged ones in his village. So ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಐರಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ he is still privileged. So he is a good fortune because he is having the fortunate. He is a fortune. So because the reason, because he is not unlike most children there, because most of the children, they didn't even visit the school. He went to school and got formal education. Even his siblings, so who did not get any school education. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಸಿಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹೀ ಗಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. Okay, so he was better off also in being the son of Nasiruddin Sheikh. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಸಿರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಶೇಖ್. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಹೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾಸಿರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಶೇಖ್, ದ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ. ಸೊ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿಯ ಫಾದರ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಫಾರ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಸಿರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಶೇಖ್. ಸೊ Nasiruddin is a jute seller. What do you mean by jute seller? So businessman who is selling jute, ಸೆಣಬು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸೆಣಬಿನ ಮಾರಾಟವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಔಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಔಟ್? ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಹೂ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ರಿಲಿಜನ್. So he believes, important for 1 mark question, who is believing that education is a true religion for men ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಸಿರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಶೇಖ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಸಿರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾಸಿರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಶೇಖ್, all the things matters. Okay, the full name is important, Nasiruddin Sheikh. So okay, Nasiruddin, Nasiruddin, who supported him, who was a jute seller and a dropout from the school. So he is one person who left the school, believes that what he believes, that is education is man's true religion. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ನಿಜವಾದ ರಿಲಿಜನ್, ಅವನ ಧರ್ಮ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೂ ರಿಲಿಜನ್. ಸೊ ಅವನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. And who initially supported his son's venture with his own income. ಸೊ ಈ ತನ್ನ ಮಗನ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ವೆಂಚರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಸೊ ಅವನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅವನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾಸಿರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಶೇಖ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್, by giving his own income. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅವನ ಸಂಬಳ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬೈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಬೈ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ಮೋರಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ outsource, income as well as moral. So both the support he gets, Babar Ali gets from his father. So if we are having money, lots of money, so but we are not having moral support, so then we can't achieve anything. So if you are having the support of your parents, so then we can achieve anything in our life. So even in the young age, so he is the living example for us, Babar Ali, so who gets a little bit money as well as the moral from his father. Okay, so coming from privileged family, so Babar realized he must do something for the better children in his village. So from this moral education from his father, so he realized that he should do something for the other children. So by getting education to him as well as to the others. So not only getting education, not only for his personal life, He also says that for others also, so this is very important. So even though, so then is also important for 4-mark question. So please remember the next paragraph. So even though children, so ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ತಂದೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೈ ತನ್ವೀರ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ತನ್ವೀರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವವನು, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ತನ್ವೀರ್, ಸೊ YL ಲೀಡರ್. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, so that he says all these things, so how his father supported all those things. So now we are going to discuss about how the parents are, or how the children of that school was. Okay, so how they were. So even though children are provided free education, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್: ವೈ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಟುಕ್ ದ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್? ಸೊ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ವೈ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪುವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಈ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so even though children are provided free education, so sending children to school is not entirely free of cost. So as we discussed earlier, so even though children were provided free education, our free education anna kottru kuda sending children to the school is not a easy job. So because income matters, then family, earlier it was joint family, so there were more children, so ella matters, right? Okay, so although the children are taught for free, they still have to pay for uniform, books, etc. ಸೊ ಆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಫ್ರೀ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬುಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. So that is why a lot of families cannot afford to send their children to school. So ಆದ ಕಾರಣ a lot of family, they can't send their children to school. So because of this, paying to the uniform, books, etc. is costlier than giving free of education. Thus, instead of going to school, so most of the boys help out their families by working as mechanics, so day laborers, grass cutters, livestock holders, so herders, etc. So holders alla, herders. Okay, so livestock herders means one who will look after the animals. ಸೊ ಆ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸೊ ಡೇ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್, ಡೈಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುವವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥವ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. So because they are belongs to the poor family, so that's why, so their income also helps to their family. So that's why, so boys were going to help their families by all these works, whereas ladies or whereas girls, they work as maid servants in the village, where they cook, clean, wash clothes, dishes for their employees. So kelsakoskara, so that is very important at that time. So working than the education. So that's why girls were going as a maid servants by cleaning, cooking, dishwash, washing dishes, all those things they used to do as a employers. So by seeing all these things, so by going to this, by seeing this thing, so that is the children, the small children were working in the fields or in the houses as a servants. So idanna nodi, by seeing this, Babar Ali wanted to change this. So by this he decided, that is, he wants to change the system. He wants to give the education so that they can get the better employment. So adrindagi they can lead a happy life. So that's why he want to change this. So that is why he took the initiative. So that is why he took the responsibility of opening his own school. So that's why he decided to open the school for the for the underprivileged, not the privileged, for the underprivileged children. So that is how much? 800. So nearly 800 kids he decided to give the education. ಸೊ ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಅವನು ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ he decided. Okay. So next part is about Ananda Shiksha Niketan, important. So that is about his school. So Babar Ali's school name. So what is the school name of Babar Ali? So the school of his. So that is Ananda Shiksha Niketan. Okay. So next, in the next class, we are going to discuss about Ananda Shiksha Niketan. So that is the school of Babar Ali. So how his school is and how many students are studying. So what are the classes he is having. So all that things we will discuss in the next class. So how the school is. So ಈ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ we will discuss in the next class.